welcome everybody. So as we all know, we've been waiting for the legendary VRoid Studio update. Everybody's been waiting for it. October 31st, it is here. We're ready to go. I'm gonna be doing a quick review. I'm over live on my Twitch stream at twitch.tv/Syafire. So if you guys ever want to check me out live, go on and head over there. Without further ado, let's hop into seeing what new VRoid Studio has to offer. Does it live up to the expectations that we've all been waiting for? Let's see. All right, so here's VRoid Studio. This is the new website. It's actually cool. They had like a really nice animation when you get here. Look at this. Yo, they're stepping up their game. They know. They're ready. They're ready to serve VTubers. It's so beautiful. So I'm just going to be downloading this new version. So somebody in chat actually brought up the fact that they're like, wait, does our VRoid models copy over when we download the new version of VRoid Studio? So I don't know. That's honestly a great question. And honestly, to be safe, we should probably copy all of our like old VRoid files and like put them somewhere. So we're going to actually do that first. So to navigate to your old VRoid files, you're going to go to your folder and you're going to go into documents, and you should be able to scroll down and find VRoid down here. Go into avatars. You're going to want to copy these and save these just in case, because I honestly have no idea. So I'm just going to copy this avatars folder. I'm going to right click and click copy, and I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm just going to paste it and save it there. So we're going to download for VRoid Studio. So as you can see, it's for Mac. You can get it on Steam as well, and then Windows. So it's great that it's on Mac. Super cool. I'm going to download the Windows version. Waiting for files to download. You're just like, all right. So we got it going under whatever drive. Save it where you need to. I'll just have it on my main drive. Create desktop shortcut. Sure. Next, let's let that download. And for anybody who doesn't recognize the character I am Violet Evergarden from an absolutely beautiful anime that you should watch if you want to be blessed by beautiful animation. Yay, finished. I'm so excited, guys. Here we go. First impression. Look at this. Oh my gosh. New logo, new everything. Okay, we're gonna click get started. You're selling your soul over to VRoid Studio. Agree. All right, welcome to VRoid Studio. This is very different. This is some new stuff. Okay, so if you click those, it ends up opening up these little web apps that show you. So this is a great place that you can go to if you need extra help or you can't find the information you're looking for in YouTube videos. So it looks like they have some documentation. Thank God we saved our VRoid models, because there's literally no models in here. Thank you to whoever told us we should do that. Good thing we checked, yo! Okay, so you navigate back into documents folder, into VRoid and avatars, and I'm gonna paste. I'm gonna try pasting. Actually, I'm gonna delete this avatar folder and I'm just gonna paste this avatar folder in here. Models from the beta version, there we go. The first part we'll do is we'll start with a new model and then we'll see what happens when we go and edit an old one. So let's try a new model. So it looks like it still has the same thing where you can choose feminine or masculine base model. I'm gonna go with feminine here. Okay, this is really nice. This is a lot like, I actually am really liking the feeling of this. Like the other one was very, very clunky. So it looks like we have a lot more different bases we can start with here, which is cool. Face sets. So you have some basic face sets. So yeah, you have a lot of different more eyes that you can start with here. I really like those star ones. Those are cute. They have an actual nice color wheel now too for painting. They still don't really have a lot of brush choices here. Opacity, nice. So you can just change the opacity there. That's cool. Eye highlights. Okay, cool. So they have different types of highlights, eye highlights saved, which is great. Eyebrows. So we have different types of eyebrows now too, which is nice. Like different little pieces. We got thicker ones. We got thinner ones. Okay, so you can do eyeliner. Eyeliner is separate from eyelashes, which is super pog too. They really worked hard on this. I'm really happy. This is going to be so helpful for so many people who don't really know a ton about 3D modeling. We got lips too, and you can change the basic lip color. Super duper amazing to see that. Dude, yes! We can get rid of them. Look, they just squeeze into the side of the head. Poggers! We got face paint. Look, we got beards for some people. We got like crying eyes. We got a band-aid. This is big hype. And you can edit expressions? Are you kidding me? And hairstyles, we can start with basic hairstyles now. So we can choose the front separately. Like we got some bangs. We can choose the back separately, which is great. We got the long back. Just choosing overall extensions, extra pieces of hair. Look at the little bun. Cute. We can get the little flicks of hair. Yes. Outfit. We got some basic. Oh my gosh. We have more outfits. And we got tops here. Oh my. It's like The Sims. Dresses. Yo, we got maid outfits. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We're doing VRoid tutorials, yo. We're ready to go. So you can add glasses now and you can get different frame shapes, which also is really good because this is just going to mix up people's characters a lot. And we have ears as well. And we can finally give Saya wolf ears. Yes. Yes. Guys, look at these glasses. So they still don't have like an export as FBX. You know, that's something I really would have liked to see, for them to have like different file types that you can export as. So that's kind of a bummer, because we're still gonna have to like convert our models, which is really sad. Okay, so this is Polygon Control, which is interesting. So this looks like this is all for like to optimize your model. Okay, yeah, this is all optimization. Interesting. This is pretty cool. Okay, now we're gonna export, and I just want to test it out. So we're gonna add the new model. Yay! Oh, so adorable. I love it. It moves really nice. Like the hair movement is super smooth too. All right, guys. So next we are going to test out to see what happens if you try to edit an old model. So let's click. I'm gonna click on my side with the button. Before you can start editing a model imported from the beta version, you need to convert its data. Now creating new converted data. Yeah, because we have another version, so I'll just say yes. Okay, so it's converting the model. Interesting. Come on, VRoid. We thought we got away from this 10-year wait time when we're trying to save our models. It says it's converted. Oh, here we go. And then it moves up there, so we'll click that. All right, so it looks like things do carry over. Your model can carry over, so if you have like an outfit or something. Let me look at hairstyle too. Like, what if we just stack hair? Okay, so it just changes the hair completely then. It literally just changes the hair completely. So I guess you can change like textures and stuff pretty easily, but it looks like it kind of overwrites the hair. And same for clothes. So I guess just make copies of your make copies of your model if you plan to bring your new model in, and you could use the old VRoid Studio if you needed to edit certain stuff or grab from there. But I would recommend at this point to just like remake your model with the new VRoid Studio. I think it's going to be way more worth it. I think it's going to be way more worth your time. Like, not just move on from your old model and make a new one. I think that's going to be the best choice with the new VRoid Studio update. So first impressions of the new VRoid Studio is literally fire. Like, it's so good. The movement feels good. The new menu and UI looks amazing. And now we gotta dive in. I'm not going to sleep tonight. I was gonna do 2D, but now I want to switch. Yeah, everybody's gonna switch now. Everybody's gonna be hype on the 3D. I think we're gonna see more VTubers. Is a lot easier to jump in now. Yeah. I agree, Lolly. I think the VRoid Studio update is gonna bring so many more VRoid users in. And I agree, now I have to strip my model down and start from scratch. All right, so my first impressions of the new VRoid Studio, 10 out of 10. Absolutely amazing. Super exciting. Honestly, we're probably gonna see so many more diverse VTuber models rolling out after this update, because there is so much more to work with, and it's a lot more intuitive. The UI is really beautiful. We have glasses, we have ears now, and I can see people doing creative things like that. So we have a whole accessory section in general. So super duper looking forward to see people's new models and all the tutorials rolling out for the new VRoid Studio. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. Again, if you want to check me on Twitch, feel free to. And I'll see you next time on the Sapphire Star. Goodbye!